Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. Friends, few years back I met a housewife. Her name was Meera. I would like to tell you friends that I was a lucky person to meet that housewife. She used to speak English with lots of confidence. She used to make mistake, but her confidence level was outstanding, really amazing. So few things that I have learned from her I would like to share with you. If you are facing this type of problem when you want to speak in English, you feel that you have lack of confidence and just because of lack of confidence you are not able to speak in English. So watch the video till the end because in this video I am going to share with you some important tips which will help you to improve your confidence level. But before starting video, I want to make a small request to you. It's a humble request. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and like and share my video. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number one tip is speed reading. Now what is the meaning of speed reading and how to do this? Let me explain you. Take any text, easy text, okay, where you will find easy sentences and easy words. Now, where you will find the easy sentences as in easy words. For easy sentences and easy words, go to the Google and type there easy texts. After that, you will find lots of easy texts there. You can pick any one. After that, start reading few lines. When you are going to read first time, before start reading, set a timer for measure your time, how much time you are going to take for first time reading. After reading first time, again set your timer and again start reading. But this time you have to read little more faster comparison to first time reading. And after complete the second time reading, start reading again third time and set timer again third time. And after that, see how much time you have taken less comparison to first time reading. Do this method at least for 15 minutes daily. It will give you more fluency while speaking and more confidence level for speaking. I am doing this method. That's why I suggest you that you should also do this method. It really works and it will give you more fluency and more confidence while speaking. Because by this way your mouth is practicing and mouth practicing is very important for your speaking. Now come to the second point. Number 2 is join conversation group. It's important to join in a conversation group because where you can practice your English with other English learners. You just need to practice with the people who is speaking in English. When you go to this group, it will help you because there was everyone for the same reason for learning English and for improving their English. So where you will not feel shy, don't be afraid there. And don't feel that you are bothering others because everyone there for the same reason, for learning English and for practicing their English, and everyone there in the same level. So don't be afraid, don't feel shy, and don't feel that you are bothering others. Now come to the third point, and third point is speak clearly and loudly. When you speak English clearly and loudly, it will help you to deliver your thoughts and ideas more effectively, and it also makes your presence more confident in your speech. Do you know friends, when you are speaking, when people are listening to you and when they are watching to you at the same time, they are observing you, and what they are observing one thing, that you are feeling confident in yourself while speaking or not. So when you speak clearly and loudly, they will immediately feel that you are a confident person and you are a confident English speaker. So start use this tip. This is very important for your confidence level. Now come to the fourth point, and fourth point is start believing on yourself that you can speak English very well. If you are not believing on yourself, then you can't do anything. Everything will be impossible for you. So start believing on yourself. If your goal is to speak English clearly and confidently and fluently, then start believing on yourself that you can speak English very confidently, and it is possible, it is actually possible. And also start thinking that you are looking very confident while speaking, and it will give you more confidence while speaking. This is very important tip. It's a key to develop your confidence in your speaking ability. So start speaking your English, broken English, with full of confidence. Don't think about mistakes. Mistakes is our teacher. It will automatically improve while speaking. Slowly it will automatically improve. But first of all, you have to start believing on yourself and start speaking. If you are thinking that one day you will be very perfect, then you will start speaking, then it is not possible. Sometimes English is going to be hard, but if you are believing on yourself, then it will help you to maintain your positive attitude. That's why I'm telling you that you have to believe on yourself. You can take my example. My English is not very good, but still I am making videos, I am speaking in front of camera, and still I am speaking. So why can't you speak? So these were the 4 important tips. So start following these 4 important tips. It will really help you to improve your confidence level. So now I am ending my video. I will see you in the next video. If you like my video, do subscribe my channel and like and share my video. Thank you so much for listening me.